Using Pictory AI, you can easily transform scripts into engaging videos or convert articles by simply pasting the URL. No complex software or technical skills are needed. Edit your videos directly with text, add a custom voiceover, or choose a premium AI voice to complete it. You can try a 14-day free trial with full access to all paid features. First, create a free account. I've placed the link in the description for you. You can sign up with Google or create a new account. I choose Google. In this comprehensive Pictory AI tutorial, I'll guide you through every step of using this tool to create impactful content. It's perfect for content creators, educators, businesses, social media managers, and more. Now let's log in and explore the incredible features Pictory AI offers. For a quick tour on the Pictory dashboard, you'll find 5 options: text to video, URL to video, AI video editor, images to video, and PPT to video, each offering a user-friendly path to creating engaging video. Text to video. Simply enter your script here, click proceed, and Pictory AI will automatically create a complete video for you. Once the initial version is ready, you're free to customize any details to make it your own. URL to video. Just paste the URL of an article, and Pictory AI instantly transforms it into a video without any need for a visible narrator. Upload it to YouTube, social media, or even embed it on your blog. AI video editor. Upload your clips and edit them effortlessly with text commands. Trim, add captions, adjust formats, resize, or create shorts from full videos. The creative possibilities are limitless. Images to video. Create slideshow videos with your images and video clips. PPT to video. Upload your PPTs or decks and let Pictory AI convert them into stunning videos. In this video, I will guide you through 3 main sections. Part 1. Text to video. Part 2. URL to video. Part 3. AI video editor. Let's get started. Part 1. Text to video. Let's begin with the text to video feature, my personal favorite. Click on it and this tab will open. First, give your video a name to get started. Today, I'm excited to create a video all about 3 famous tourist destinations in Europe that attract travelers. I will paste the title for the video here. Then, I'll ask ChatGPT to write the script for me. Then, I copy script and paste the script here. And click proceed. Based on your script's length, this might take a minute or 2. It only took around 30 seconds, and now my video is fully ready. Welcome to the Pictory AI storyboard. This is the space where your video comes to life, and where you have full control over customization. I'll guide you step by step through the customization options found on the left. First, let's go over the concept. By simply pasting a script into Pictory AI, it intelligently finds high-quality B-roll footage that aligns perfectly with your content. For example, the first scene here focuses on describing the capital city of Paris in France. Pictory AI will then search for footage that matches each specific scene, such as the beautiful landscapes of Paris with the Eiffel Tower. As you can see, when we preview it by clicking Preview, the B-roll footage accurately showcases the Paris with the Eiffel Tower. Subtitles are added automatically, and you can choose an AI voiceover or record your own to finalize the video. Not satisfied with the background clips or text layout? No problem, you can adjust every element to your liking. Start by choosing the scene you want to customize. Let's take scene 1 as an example. To change the clip, click on Visuals on the left. Here, you have access to a vast library of stock footage. Pictory AI offers millions of clips covering almost any topic you can imagine. For instance, I can type Paris, France, and Pictory AI will show me all related stock footage options for my video. I found a beautiful clip with bustling Paris streets and elegant historic buildings, perfectly matching the style I want. To use it, I just need to click on it after selecting scene 1. Now the clip has replaced the original and saved automatically, making this process very convenient, even if you have no video editing experience. To adjust the text, I return to the storyboard, select the text, and use the options that appear to make customizations. First, I can change the font style by selecting the font options. For this video, I prefer a clean, bold font, so I'm choosing Arial and setting it to bold. You can change the text color or the background color for the text. To make this the default font across the video, I simply click Apply to All, and the font settings will automatically update for every text block. I can also adjust the text width by using the slider. I can also adjust text placement, whether it's top left, top right, centered, or bottom. You have full control over where it appears. Animation options are available too. You can add effects like fade in, slide down, slide left, slide right, and more to make your text dynamic. You just need to hover over each option on the left to see how the text will appear in the video on the right. Once I'm happy with my text customization, I just click Apply to All to save these changes across all text in the video. This is an incredible feature. Instead of spending hours adjusting all the text, you can do it in just a minute. Now you can go through each scene, fine-tuning it as needed to create a polished, customized video. Take Scene 2 for instance. The background footage isn't appealing, and there's too much text cluttering the screen. I prefer to limit it to a maximum of 2 lines. To customize this, head over to the scene and select where you'd like to break up the text. In this case, I'll split the text after the comma mark. I'll place the cursor after the comma, then select Split Scene. This action will effectively divide the text into multiple scenes, as you can see here. It's essential to note that these scenes will remain linked after splitting. This means if you change the background footage in one scene, it will automatically change in the linked scenes too. As you can see, it has split into Scene 2 and Scene 3 with the text shortened. The scenes automatically renumbered themselves. As you can see, the scenes are linked. I recommend unlinking them so you can use different background clips for each line of text, enhancing engagement. I'll demonstrate by temporarily linking them back. Let's say I dislike this clip and prefer to insert another instead. I'll proceed with that change. However, you'll notice that Scene 3 also changes to the new clip due to the link. Instead, I'll unlink the scene, allowing me to select a different video for Scene 3. I'll choose this footage instead. Returning to the storyboard, you can see that Scenes 2 and 3 are now distinct. Just a note, the watermarks you see are only for preview purposes. If you have the right plan, they'll be removed later. You can adjust the video sizes here. If you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, modify it to suit your needs. You can also resize existing projects. For instance, if I prefer a portrait format for TikTok Reels or Shorts, I just click here and it instantly switches to that layout. Now that we've figured that out, it's time to add a voiceover and some background music to our video. To do this, head to the audio section, where you'll usually find some background music added by default. I suggest removing that and selecting a song that suits your taste to include instead. The fantastic part is that you can filter options by mood, purpose, genre, and song duration, making it easy to find the perfect track quickly. For this video, I'm looking for an upbeat background music, and We Could Be Happy fits perfectly. As you can see, it brings a very exciting feel, so I'll click Apply and it will be set for the video. It's also crucial to add a voiceover. And when you do, don't forget to adjust the volume settings. But before diving into that, let's select a voiceover first. Pictory AI has partnered with 11 Labs, renowned as the top AI voiceover tool on the market. I recommend opting for a paid plan on Pictory AI. I'll discuss the costs later in the video, and even provide you with a coupon code to help you save some money. The reason I suggest this is that it grants you access to premium voiceovers from 11 Labs, which are vastly superior to the free versions available. Let me give you a preview of a few options.
The only thing to do with good advice is to
allow the world to live as it chooses.
What worries you masters you.
For instance, Arnold's voice sounds incredibly human-like. To add one of these voiceovers to your video, there's no need for any complicated steps. You just click Apply and just like that, it's done. The system will generate the voiceover for your video, apply it to your project, and sync it automatically. This means you don't need any editing skills at all. Once it reaches 100%, your voiceover will be successfully added. However, keep in mind that you should check the volume settings. The reason is that by default, the background music is set to 100% while the voiceover is at 0%. When you apply the voiceover, the levels will adjust to 10% for music and 50% for voice. Be sure to adjust these settings according to your preference. With these settings, I now have a voiceover ready for my video. Now, let's preview how it sounds.
Paris, France. Known as the City of Light, Paris is famed for landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral. The city is celebrated for its art, fashion, and cuisine, making it a must-visit for history buffs, art lovers, and food enthusiasts. Rome, Italy. Rome is rich with ancient history and remarkable architecture, so seeking a romantic getaway or a tranquil escape in the Greek islands. 4.
Done. The voiceover sounds very natural and is perfect for tourism promotional videos. At this point, we have a solid grasp of how to transform a script into a complete video. Furthermore, you can personalize the video style by selecting from the Styles library. This includes fonts, colors, and more. When I click on each style on the left, you will see the text change in the video on the right. To apply any of these styles to your video, simply click here to apply it to every scene. As you'll notice, the changes are instant. Personally, this makes the text much easier to read. I also love the color combinations. Overall, it's versatile for any platform. You can also add text to your video by clicking here, and it will appear directly in the scene. For example, welcome to French. If you want to remove it, just select it and press delete. Let's say you made an error and want to revert. Avoid clicking previous since that removes the whole project. Instead, click on the undo arrow here to restore changes or redo to move forward. If you're managing a brand or social media, you likely use consistent colors across your projects. You can go to Branding, click Create a Brand, and set up your brand in Pictory AI for automatic style and color consistency. For instance, if my brand is called AI for Win, I can upload my logo, choose my colors, and pick the font style I prefer for all videos. You can also add intros, outros, background music, and preferred AI voiceovers. Click on Add from Library. I will try a few different voiceovers.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on. It is never of any use.
What worries you masters you.
Arnold's voice fits perfectly with the tone of my videos. By clicking Add, I can make sure that from now on, Arnold will be the default voiceover for all my branded projects. Once I click Save and Apply, it's set. It's a fantastic feature. Additionally, you can include emojis and GIFs in your videos, should you need them. With everything in place, my video is now complete. I can preview it by clicking the preview button at the top right. The preview will load, allowing me to ensure everything looks good.
Paris, France. Known as the City of Light, Paris is famed for landmarks like the Eiffel Tower.
If I'm satisfied, I'll click Download to generate and save it to my device. Your plan matters for download quality. The starter plan, priced at $19 per month, offers one user 200 videos minutes per month, but lacks high-quality AI voiceovers. A crucial feature, in my opinion, if you're aiming for professional results. I recommend the professional plan, which I personally use. It provides 600 videos minutes per month, and access to premium voiceovers from 11 labs. If you want to try Pictory AI, I've included a link in the description below. Discount applies to any plan and is valid for a lifetime, so each month you'll continue to save 20%. This support helps me keep creating content, so thank you. Now, the video is downloaded, and here's the final result.
Paris, France. Known as the City of Light, Paris is famed for landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and relaxing beaches make it ideal for those seeking a romantic getaway or a tranquil escape in the Greek islands. 4.
Part 2. URL to video. To transform an URL into a video, simply grab the URL of your article and paste it here. Click Generate Video, and the tool will automatically generate a summary of your article. Instead of turning the whole article into a video, It extracts only the essential points. Now, to finalize this into a video, just highlight the sections you want to include. For example, if I want this part, I'll highlight it, and it will be added to the I created summary, which will be transformed into our video. If you want to remove something, just go to the scene, like here, and either click on it or hit the trash icon. Once you've selected the parts for your video, click Next. From here, the process is the same as creating a video from a script. And now we have a video titled, How to Lose Weight Top 18 Simple Tips Diet Doctor. You can customize everything just like before. One great feature is that it will import any images or videos from your blog into the project automatically. Part 3, AI Video Editor. Click AI Video Editor here. You can upload the file directly. If I want to break down a video for social media clips, I can upload the file, and it will upload and analyze the video. This might take a few minutes depending on the video's length. Once it's ready, you're working with an AI-enhanced video editor. Click on Text to apply it to the video, and you'll see the style change. I recommend using Customize Video, which takes you back to the storyboard for easier editing. Here, you can change text, go to branding to apply your brand look or choose a style you like. Continue editing, adding B-rolls, audio, or any other effects. When you're finished, just click Download to save your video. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel to receive the latest videos.